I know not everyone would agree with me, but to me, the feeling of having a vehicle, having a car especially, just gives you a freedom that otherwise I just don't know how to have. So today I'm super excited because I've been invited by my pal Simon to St. Nicholas Abbey. Now, St. Nicholas Abbey is not just an absolutely beautiful house and the most impressive stately home in Barbados, it's also the home of one of the best rums in the entire world. Now, I've already got lost a couple of times getting here, and his only direction to me was go through the gate that says no entry. So hopefully that means I'm now in the right place.
In 150 meters, turn right.
Well, I've definitely learned not to listen to the sat-nav anyway, because there it is on the left. Wow, that's beautiful. Let's find somewhere to park this car.
Turn right.
So I have arrived at St. Nicholas Abbey. Now I just need to work out which is the right door to get into the place.
Right, this is great. He's just said that I can have a go on his steam railway. Now, I'll be honest, just like I think maybe every other adult male, the idea of getting on a little steam train turns you into a little kid. And I'm going to enjoy this. So the extremely knowledgeable team here have just told me that this is basically a replica of a steam train that used to run all the way around Barbados. This section's been rebuilt and was opened in 2018, and from January next year, 2025, it's going to be a lot longer due to a large extension. The crew of this train, the guard, the driver, the fireman are absolutely amazing and a credit to it. Everyone in Barbados is known for their hospitality and welcome, but these guys take it to a new level.
So the train stops here on Cherry Tree Hill, and I don't know if you can see that behind me, but it's, as she said, arguably the highest point in Barbados, and the view, there's just no way that the film can do the view justice, because to be honest, it looks just too spectacular. It looks like AI or something. It's just amazing. Look at that.
Okay guys, we'll be pushing the locomotive this way. Okay? You're gonna hear me say all stop and just let it go. And it's moving already. Okay? Look at that, 22 tons. You make it look easy, yeah? Oh, yeah.
This little train really reminds me of riding on the Romney Hythe and Dymchurch Railway back in England when I was a little boy. And it's just bringing back wonderful, wonderful memories. And I think anyone who's coming to visit Barbados, especially if they have children, this is a must. But now, let's go back down the hill and I can almost smell the rum, because next we're going to have a tasting. Oh, here comes the rain and it is coming down hard. But not hard enough for me to not want to stand on the balcony to see the view. Right, so I'm back at the station and it is absolutely stoating it down. But luckily, someone's volunteered to give me a lift on their bus back to the house, so I'm not going to get too wet. A little bit of camaraderie with my brand new friends on this coach. Everyone makes a run for it.
Thank you. I'll go straight through.
Being a British butler, I've seen more Jacobian mansions than most people, but seeing one on a tropical island just seems so crazy. It's like a little piece of England sat here, and it's a really beautiful setup as well. But hey, rum time.
Alright, so everyone here, I have a big group, so I have to be very loud. You know how romantic it is?
Simon does a brilliant tasting for everyone, and genuinely, I'm not exaggerating when I say St. Nicholas Abbey is probably the best rum in the world. And Simon's presentation, to be honest, he's practically a stand-up comedian. It's great. Now, I'm going to warn you. The rums at St. Nicholas Abbey, as you can probably expect from the best in the world, are not cheap. These are premium and expensive rums, even here in Barbados. But the price of them in Barbados is a fraction of what you'd be able to buy them anywhere else in the world, with these bottles being around £200 a bottle in the UK and similar in the USA. So if you like them, buy them here. But all good things must come to an end, and before I know it, I'm back on the road. But my adventures are not finished for today, because now I'm gonna go and visit the luxurious shopping area of Lime Grove. It really depends if you like this sort of thing as to whether this is an essential visit for you, but whether you like it or not, you have to admit it's beautifully done. Elegant, with some really wonderful stores, great cafes, and I'm gonna stop here and have a bite to eat before I head back. After looking at houses I can't afford to buy, obviously, and clothes I can't afford to buy, you know, the usual stuff that you do at a luxury shopping centre.
It was 10 hours of a journey. What do you think they were doing for 10 hours? Drinking, picnicking, and all of that. Now,
I've been halfway around the island today, but I'm really glad because I've got back in time for a beautiful sunset walk along the beach. It's just a perfect way of finishing the day, and it really sort of defines all the amazing elements that come together to make a visit here in Barbados so beautiful. So thanks very much for watching along with me, and I'll see you again soon.